If you want to go ahead and enable out multi-selection option in Jotform, then what you can actually do is you can go around over here onto add element, and then under widget you can see visual multi-select. So once you go ahead and enable it, you can actually see the selection values right here. So I'm just going to go around and let's say, for example, add in some food items like pizza, burger, hot dog, sizzler, and so forth. So I'm just going to go around and say sushi right here. You can go ahead and change the theme as you want as well to make it much more interesting as you want. So there's different sort of themes as you can see right here. So let's just go ahead and select the olive green theme right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and say select the food or drag the food to the selected box as you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here. So this is what you have, and then you can see that the left box header is options. So let's just go around and say food choices right here, and then I'm going to go around over here, and the right box header, let's say for example, is selected food right here, just like this. So I'm going to keep the selected order as well. So I don't want it to randomize it, let's say for example. So I can go ahead and update, and as I do that and preview out the form right here, once I do that, I can visually go ahead and then click on it to go ahead and then keep it right there. Click on it and it goes back right here. So it's not dragging, but rather clicking right here. So you can go ahead right here and you got a visual selection as you can see right here. So apart from that, you can of course go ahead and change around the properties as you want as well to change around the width. Let's say for example right here, so that it takes more visual space, so it's more interesting, and work around with advanced and other properties as well. So you can see that you now know what are the choices and the ones that you have selected clearly by utilizing this widget. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.